Hi everyone, this is Yashika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the most awaited sale of the year, which is the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So I think कि अगर किसी को लगता है कि entire year में आपको refill करने हैं अपनी चीजें, repurchases करनी है best price पे, तो I think now is the time. And today I have got some personal favorite recommendations from that sale. So I feel कि there are a lot of tactics around marketing gimmicks और बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है that somebody should personally suggest you या एक girlhood के नाते हम आपको बता सकते हैं that what suits and what does not suit on most of the skin types. So for the starters, I have this beautiful bag to show which is in unicorn color and I think it's quite fun and attractive. I mean, I can carry it someday out. Okay? So starting with, let's unzip first and then just dig into it. तो start करते हैं. We here have Neutrogena का water gel based moisturizer. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका जो moisturizer है बहुत heavy है face पे या बहुत अच्छे से melt नहीं होता, gel up नहीं होता है, so I think you should try this because I personally feel that जो gel based moisturizers होते हैं, they are very light on the skin, very light on the face, and that's not the best part. That's not my personal favorite. My personal favorite trait is the smell of it. It smells heaven. So I think अगर आपके face पे suit कर रहा है, skin पे suit कर रहा है, it smells good so that you feel good, it's a good to go. So I personally feel कि आप इसको try कर सकते हैं. If it suits you, works for you, good for you. Next up we have is Esthera का moisturizing lotion. So it's like at times I personally feel that I don't use it all day round. I personally use it when it is very dry weather, usually winters, जब skin बहुत patchy हो जाती है, बहुत extra care मांगती है, तो ये मेरा थोड़ा occasional use के लिए है. But I feel like you can make it a part of your daily routine, and the fact that it was on sale, the fact it was very useful, I bought it. So next up we have is a body shimmer. I feel that it's like more fun thing that you should have in your bag whenever you're going out in summers or on a beachy day, because it gives a very vibrant shine over your body which is exposed in the sun, and it brings kind of a shine, a shimmer to the body, और आपकी body काफी blinky लगती है. So if you feel like आप बीच पे जा रहे हो, आपको थोड़ा सा शाइन करना है out in the sun, so I think that's a good deal. और मुझे पर्सनली LA गर्ल का इसलिए अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ शिमर. सो वो आपके चाहे आपकी आर्म्स हैं, आपकी लेग्स हैं, आपकी नेक एरिया, आपका फेस फॉर दैट मैटर, उस पर एक अलग से ही ग्लो दे देता है. द मोमेंट यू गो इन द सन, बैम, इट एक्सपोजेस. सो यू कैन कंसिडर दिस. दैट्स माय पर्सनल फेवरेट. ओके, कमिंग अप, एक मैंने अभी आपको वाटर जेल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर बताया. इफ यू फील लाइक दैट जेल बेस्ड डज नॉट सूट यू या व्हाटएवर इज द रीजन, CeraVe you know it is very popular. It is it comes in the category of medicated moisturizers also. So I feel like that CeraVe is like a safer choice. It's a good choice. तो आप इसको भी consider कर सकते हो. I have been using CeraVe for a while now. So मेरा personal जो experience है उसके साथ ये है that it is kind of thick. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको thick moisturizer नहीं करना, तो you can skip it. But if you feel like that your body is very dry, since my skin type is dry, so मेरे लिए it works really well. Next up, we have L'Oreal's shampoo. So my 101 reason to get it is the fragrance. So I feel like that till the time एक product में एक अच्छा fragrance ना हो, it does not make you feel good. It does not make it a good product. तो मेरे लिए ये shampoo सबसे बड़ा रीजन इसका फ्रेग्रेंस है. देन ऑफ कोर्स L'Oreal हैज अ वेरी ह्यूज एंड वाइड रेंज ऑफ शैम्पूज, जिसमें से एक ये है. Why I personally chose this shampoo because it contains salicylic and hyaluronic acid. I mean, we know that it is a must for the beauty products as of now. So this is one of the recommendations which I would suggest कि अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आपको अपना शैम्पू चेंज करना है, you can go with that. Next up, we have is Fiyama body wash. मेरे को why I generally prefer this one, it's kind of a milk based body wash. I'm not saying that it has milk in it, but उसका जो formula है it is milk based. So it is very soft and gentle on the skin, not very harsh, very smooth, has a good fragrance. So all in all, it is a good purchase. So in routine, for a daily routine showers, I prefer this. We have is rice water cleanser. So now this cleanser can work as a face wash, this can work as a makeup remover, this can work as multiple things. कि अगर आपको एक थोड़ा सा at after anything you want to clean your face, cleanse your face, you want to wash your face, you want to wash the makeup. So I think it's a good. And since rice water formulas are in trend a lot, मैंने बहुत सारे देखे हैं, whether it is shampoos, whether it is cleansers, face washes, and so many other things. Sheet mask also, I've seen that rice water is a lot in trend. So I feel like that this is something which counts as a good purchase, and it is very cost effective also. It's not that very costly. So it's for $279, which I feel like that makes it a good purchase. And now I'm gonna talk about my personal favorite when it comes to beauty. Okay, so all those were about body care. Now I have 3 things in beauty, but since you can see that I don't do a lot of makeup, so when it comes to beauty, my range is very much restricted to lips. Okay, so I got 3 things for the lips. One, starting with, is a Hydra cream lipstick. It is from K Beauty, and I really like the shade. When you go out for the parties or something, you really prefer no glosses, no mattes. You want something that comes out in a cream lipstick. So this is one. I really like the texture of it, if you can see, and the cover and the packaging, everything is very beautiful. It's very premium. I personally find K Beauty very go-to product when it comes to beauty. Okay, next I have Maybelline Lifter Gel. It is a gloss, so if you feel like you want to go out on a sunny day, you want to have just a very light thing on your lips, so this is and it is actually not very heavy, so you can pull it off. And then we have e.l.f. lipstick. So this is a matte. So I personally like matte when it comes to some professional corporate outings or something that you feel like that you want to carry for the entire day. और आप खा रहे हो, आप कुछ कर रहे हो, and you just feel like कि आपका जो lipstick है, it does not wear off. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है matte is always the good choice, and I have got a very beautiful shade, which is this one. I think the shade name is It's Giving Guava. So it actually looks like how the inner guava is, very pinky, and it smells also good. I am obsessed with beautiful smells of these beauty products. So in the wrap, I have also got a Ajmal Silver Shade perfume, which is I'm supposedly expecting is a unisex product, because it does not say that it is for men or women, but I have heard about it a lot. So I have never used it before, but just for the recommendations which I have got from other people and all over the Instagram and YouTube, so I just thought that why should I not use it myself? It actually does smell really good. And there are some smells which is unisex at times, because मैं बहुत सारी बार men section से perfumes उठाती हूँ, because I feel like that they stay a lot longer than the women perfumes and smells. So I feel like that I would use it myself and then probably recommend you the other time. So that was it. That was my recommendations. If you liked it and if you feel like that it is gonna be useful, so please drop a comment, subscribe and like, and I'll see you with much more recommendations and useful things. Bye.